Welcome to Kidron Food Forest. We established this food forest 3 years ago in 2011. The aim of this food forest is to be a research, development and education center for Mediterranean food forests and dryland food forests. We are trying and developing here different systems, different permaculture systems, especially agroforestry and food forest systems. And our goal is to take the concept of food forest and to adapt it to our local environment and to promote this idea in Mediterranean climates. In a food forest we imitate the way that the forest ecosystem works. And then we can grow food and many other different crops without maintenance. Because in a real forest no one is irrigating, no one is giving inputs of compost, no one is using pesticides. It's all about the balance of the system. And when we know how to design a well-balanced system, then everything just happens by itself. We get crops and, even more important, we create habitat for wildlife. Here we have a few different perennial plants that are giving us leaf crop throughout the year without irrigation. We have the saltbush, very tasty. You can grow it without irrigation even in the deserts. It can replace salt use. There's also a spinach replacement. Here we have the nopal, the nopalitos, which is a cacti with an edible, delicious leaves. Very good for green shakes, for cooking, for rice. There's a kind of a cucumber in the salad. And here we have this pioneer amazing tree. Crossopis alba. It's a pioneer tree, it grows fast, also in the desert, and it gives delicious pods which you can grind into flour and make your cakes out of it. It's quite amazing. It doesn't need irrigation, doesn't need compost. In our vision we see a Mediterranean food forest belt circling the Mediterranean Sea and creating a base for local sustainable economies, for communal life, for wildlife rehabilitation, and for creating abundance around the Mediterranean Sea, connecting people together from different nations, because in the Mediterranean area this place have so much pain, so much tough history. And we really believe that from the real ecological needs, from the real economical needs, from the food forest vision can come a connection, a true connection between people. So we wanted to invite you to make your internship here at our food forest at Kidron and to be part of this amazing research and development. You can integrate here at the farm into many different fields, according to what you like to do more, or according to what interesting for you more. There are the vegetable gardens, the fruitery, the tree nursery, all the maintenance and the planting in the food forest, the designing services that we give. We have the different animal systems, different rotational grazing systems, appropriate technology development, many other really cool stuff that we are doing, and you can help us do, and you can help us be a part of this revolution. And also be a part not only of this farm, but a part of the big project, of the big vision of Mediterranean food forest belt. It means collecting information, making the data available for other people in other countries, connecting people around. Yeah, sky's the limit. There are a lot of interesting stuff to do here. We need your help.